Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Watch 5 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset or restart this watch. First thing we need to do is to press and hold the side button, and we need to keep holding it until the power menu appears on the screen. Once you see the power menu, find the reboot option, and once you find it, tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now let's wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.